Hello friends, I'm Dr. Gulhima Arora, consultant dermatologist, Mehekta Gul Derma Clinic, New Delhi. If you want more information on skin, hair and nails, please do subscribe to my channel Dr. Gulhima Arora on YouTube or follow me on Instagram at Mehekta Gul Derma Clinic. Today's topic of discussion is my eye shadows or under eye dark circles. Dark circles are because of three major causes. 1. Pigmentation. 2. Increased blood vessels under the skin. And 3 is a structural defect. Increased pigmentation or darkening is only one aspect that can cause under eye dark circles. This can be hereditary. It can be due to a skin problem like acanthosis nigricans. It can be your hormones like a thyroid abnormality that can give rise to the pigmentation. Certain deficiencies of vitamins like vitamin B12 or folic acid. It can be a post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation under the eyes. It can be due to excessive rubbing of eyes or allergies. And of course, not to forget, it could be your eye cosmetics that could be causing darkening under your eyes. Darkening can also be due to increased vascularity under the skin or increased visible blood vessels under the thin skin of the eyes. The skin under the eyes is as it is very thin, and it is possible that the vessels are giving a shadowing under the eyes. Thinning of the skin under the eyes can be because of your normal chronological aging or photoaging or even due to smoking. Anything that decreases the collagen of the skin under the eyes can give rise to thin skin, which may make the vessels underneath look more prominent. The third cause is a structural defect, when there's a groove under the eyes, and that groove can give rise to your optics, reflective optics, giving rise to the appearance of a shadow under the eyes. Also, loss of volume due to atrophy of the fat pads under the eyes can also give rise to a structural defect. So what is the treatment for your eye shadows or under eye dark circles? Well, you must avoid certain triggering factors. The first thing is the hormones and vitamin deficiencies should be treated. One must not keep rubbing under the eyes, as excessive rubbing can increase the pigmentation. It is very important that you remove your eye makeup properly before you go to bed, because we don't want any pigment tattooing to occur which can cause increase in pigmentation. Of course, if it is hyperpigmentation, there are many skin lightening ingredients that can be used, but eye creams are specially crafted for the thin skin under the eyes. So the strengths of these ingredients that are used are usually less than what is used on the rest of the body. Azelaic acid, kojic acid, glycolic acid, retinol are all ingredients that can be used for hyperpigmentation apart from vitamin C. A sunscreen and a moisturizer must be applied, and among the sunscreens, a physical block containing zinc oxide or titanium dioxide work the best because they do not irritate the skin under the eye. Treatment of the eye dermatitis or eczema, if any, should be done to prevent any kind of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. There are in-clinic procedures that can be done, like chemical peels or laser treatments, which can help with hyperpigmentation. So what is the cause of increased visibility of blood vessels under the eyes? Here, ingredients like caffeine or vitamin K as ingredients in under eye creams work the best. And it is important to try and thicken the skin under the eyes with the use of retinol and sunscreen, and of course certain in-clinic procedures like microneedling, which can help to develop collagen. Treatment for the third category, that is structural defects, is minimally invasive procedures like under eye fillers or improving a surgical correction to improve the structural defect. So what is the best treatment for under eye dark circles or the best cream? Well, as a dermatologist, I can tell you that there is none. It is a multifactorial cause and we need to address different issues to give the best result. So it is always a combination of treatments and medicines that work the best. I hope you found this video useful. Do subscribe to my channel and like the video. My channel is Dr. Gulhima Arora. Thank you. Until next time.